Hi, my name is Andrea. In this episode I'm gonna show you how I made this oak tabletop. I started by rough milling the boards just to remove some marks from one side only. This is for a rustic table and the bottom part could stay rough, meaning I could preserve as much thickness as I can. Final thickness came out a bit over 1 inch. Since my boards were not long enough, I extended the boards using Craig joinery. This is the easiest way to join the ends together, and in the end it will be strong because the joints are glued in a staggered pattern. Just don't look on the underside. With the jack plane I jointed the edges for a seamless joint. I glued the boards in pairs until I had the full width desired. I used the sash clamps I made a few months ago and they worked perfectly for this. Then I needed to flatten the top a bit because I was rough planing and some deformations were copied to the plain finish. This took some exercise and time to do. While I'm doing that, I'll take a moment to thank all of my patrons on Patreon. If you wish to support my work, please donate $1 or $2 and you'll support my channel a lot. Even the smallest donation is greatly appreciated and it makes a big difference. If I had 5% of my subscribers donate only $1 per month, I would be able to leave my job and dedicate making more videos for you. All of my Patreons get early access to my video and shop updates. Thank you. After some work, I sanded, cleaned the edges and applied 2 coats of boiled linseed oil. The tabletop was ready. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel to keep up with me. Thank you for watching and see you soon.
Glumit na 2 bida jebote, majstor go odštopal. Double bid je. O, jesam posranje pila.